Hey guys, are you getting ready for the big day? Because we are here, and it's a pretty serious one. It's Turkey Day! Okay, so let's plop this thing in. We got 370 degrees of fun. I've turned the fire off. I got my fire jacket on just because I'm not entirely sure it's not completely frozen. And wish me luck. Oh my God. This is how car guys do Turkey Day. All right. Well, we'll see this in about 50 minutes and that'll be great. I hope you guys enjoy your Turkey Day. Spend it with your family. Eat or don't, because it's 2020. But just make sure you reach out and you tell them how thankful you are, because it is 2020 and there's a lot to be thankful for, even when things like this are going on. So thank you guys for being with us all this time. We're going to celebrate our Thanksgiving at the shop. Workers giving? That sounds pornographic. Never mind. So happy Thanksgiving, guys. And don't worry, we're not just cooking up turkeys. We are also cooking up some really, really amazing specials for this holiday season. If you check out our website, cspracing.com, what you're going to find on cspracing.com is that we have a special holiday coupon code. It's Holiday 20. It gets you an extra 6% off most things. And then in addition to that, we also have the 6th Gen headers, the Complete Street Performance 6th Gen headers, which are amazing, by the way, made by Stainless Works, but to our specs. They are not the Stainless Works header. We have discounted them till the end of the month to less than $1,200. Normally they are $1,550. So now the coupon doesn't apply to that because I've already applied the coupon for you guys, a super duper coupon, so that's pretty cool. Now, if you're looking for something else, say that you're not GM or Ford or some of the normal stuff that we normally carry, you can search just by part number. If you know the part number of the part that you're looking for, search for it on our website. Just hit it up because it might not be categorized, but it might come up, and it might be even less than anywhere else. You never know. You should check it out. I appreciate the opportunity to earn your business there. So one of the things that we did while we're cooking here is we surrounded the turkey setup with Texas Speed boxes because we wanted to supercharge this turkey. And no better way to do that than with a Texas Speed built turkey baster thing. I don't know. I'm just talking out my ass. I didn't even drink anything yet. Okay, let's get this bad boy out. Okay, moment of truth. This is gonna take a little bit. Oh man, look at that. Oh, Matt, come around to this side. Look at that. That's a beaut, Clark. Yeah. They didn't have small turkeys this year because everybody wanted those. Oh man, that is badass. I'm gonna let it sit there for a little bit. Damn. Here. So safety's first, guys. Safety is absolutely first. That's why we have our fire jacket on.
And we cook this in motor oil, which has a higher flash point than like normal vegetable oil. I'm just kidding. We didn't do that. It's peanut oil. If you have an allergy, f you. All right. We can get this bird on the table and start cutting it. Do we have knives? Uh-oh. This could be a problem. Hey, where's that knife set? Ah, sweet, we do have it. Perfect.
What are you thankful for?
I am thankful for my family,
Oh.
friends,
Oh.
and my job, my food, but mostly family and friends.
Okay. Cool.
And all of you watching this video.
Oh, great. That's wonderful. Are you thankful for this couch?
No.
Okay. Oh, and you want to say anything? You don't know? Okay.
That's what I said.
That's what he said. So I want to thank all of our customers and all of our fans and friends and family. I want to thank everybody out there that has supported us over the years. It's been a tough year for many, and if you guys are looking for a good cause to spend some extra money on, we do have in the link below on our Teespring store, we do have our charity shirts, which all the profit is going to underprivileged children that are local to us. So we're trying to give back to the community, and I am doubling that. So definitely hit that up. Get the charity shirts, the charity apparel. It's not just shirts, it's apparel. There's phone cases and all sorts of stuff like that. And we might have a special surprise in December to help move that along a little bit more. So far, we've raised something like $1,500 or $1,800 for it, and that I think that's going to go a long way. So thank you guys so much for that. And well, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment. Let me know what you're doing for your Thanksgiving. I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.